Hey, everybody. It is Monday today, and the business day has came to an end. So today, we're going to speak about FHA loan amounts and how sometimes they look higher than expected on your loan estimate or loan disclosures. Let's say you are buying a home for 300,000 and the down payment will be the minimum 3.5%, which is 10,500, which leaves you with a loan amount of 289,500. But wait, your loan estimate shows a final loan amount of 294,566. It doesn't seem to really make sense at first, right? So FHA charges on every FHA loan they is given a one-time fee called an upfront mortgage insurance premium fee. That fee is 1.75% of the base loan amount. Let's take a look. So let's start from the top. Purchase price, 300,000. Your down payment will be 3.5% of 300,000, which equates to 10,500, leaving you with a loan amount of 289,500. That is what's called the base loan amount. FHA will then take your base loan amount and multiply that by 1.75%. In this example, 1.75% times the loan amount of 289,500 is $5,066. That amount is then added to your loan amount of 289,500, leaving you with a final loan amount of $294,566. So no, you're not being overcharged. It's just how FHA works. Throughout my experience of originating home loans for the last 17 years, I have noticed that it's quite common banks, lenders, brokers, whatever you want to call them, they're all under the same umbrella, basically. They don't explain this well or are not really too clear about this. Basically, if the borrower slash buyer doesn't ask about it, they don't say anything. And FHA is used amongst a lot of first-time home buyers. So this is their first time of purchasing a home, getting a loan for one of the most largest purchases of most people's lives, which is a home. So they're asked to sign loan disclosures and they see numbers that just don't add up. And if they don't ask their loan officer or bank, why are they be giving this X number when it should be this number? It makes one feel like they're being left out or maybe even being taken advantage of a little bit. But that's not the case. So I hope this may have answered a lot of people's questions, and maybe people who have received FHA financing in the past, and maybe they ran into this and they just never asked and they were just puzzled as well. But now you have an answer. There's some closure. If you still need another example or want to know more, or if you have other options, whatever your specific scenario or situation is, give me a call. Pick up the phone or send me a text at 559 310 7496.